Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles at home with milk. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, sugar, and any flavorings you desire, like vanilla or fruit extracts. For the creamiest results, whole milk is an excellent choice. Make sure your popsicle molds and sticks are clean and prepared for use. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious homemade treats. Now, let's mix everything together. In a bowl, whisk your milk, sugar, and chosen flavorings until the sugar fully dissolves. This is where you can get creative. Consider adding 1/4 cup of fruit puree for a natural taste or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a chocolatey treat. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness as needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Place the filled molds into your freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until they are completely solid. Once frozen solid, your delicious milk popsicles are ready to enjoy. To easily remove them, run the outside of the molds under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. Gently pull on the stick, and your popsicle should slide right out. Serve them immediately for the freshest taste. Any extra popsicles can be stored in an airtight bag in the freezer for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.